On-chain trading is exploding, but with more tokens, scams are everywhere. Remember Kanye West's YZY token? It pumped to 400 million. Then insiders dumped and investors lost millions. All of this could have been seen if you were using BubbleMaps, and that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. So these guys are releasing some top-tier news, and I think it's going to change the industry for the better. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive in to this amazing platform. So here is the news article that we were just talking about here, where yes, Kanye West's token leaves 50,000 wallets with losses, while 11 wallets actually profit with over $1 million each. Now, BubbleMaps actually would have solved this because you can see exactly what's going on with an entire contract. So if we were to click on Shiba Inu here, it's basically going to give us this map and show us roughly how the distribution of these wallets are across the ecosystem. But this is actually something that's useful when it comes to newer tokens. So if we go over to DEXScreener here, and then we just click on a random token, such as this one, we can see that this might look good. So if we go ahead and copy the contract address, and then we go to BubbleMaps and we paste it in, we can see that it has come up here. So if we click that, we can actually see how everything is distributed with this token. So here we can see the distribution is actually very even across the board, with one wallet having 5% here. Now, this is something that does work with Solana, BNB, Ethereum, etc. And the rule with this is to basically instantly be able to see big holders and wallet clusters from early buyers. If few wallets control too much, you should typically avoid that token. In this case, we can see the wallets are very spread out, but we can see it's actually too good. I mean, if we do look on the right here, these are definitely programmed in. You can see that, yes, they're just too in line with each other, right? So this is a great way to see that, yes, this is kind of being manufactured in a way to look good, but with BubbleMaps, we can see that it does look a little bit too good to be true here. Whereas if it was a little bit more random, where we would have one wallet with, say, 1%, another wallet with 0.97, another wallet with 0.92, etc., I mean, this would be a lot better and a lot more believable. So this is a great way that you can scan the markets and actually check if a coin is legit and organic. If it's clean, you typically proceed. And the good thing about this is you can check it in literally under a minute, like we've done here. Now, BubbleMaps is definitely something that is used in the industry right now, but yes, I mean, this is a must when it comes to actually looking at tokens and doing your research. In fact, some of their biggest clients include the Solana Foundation, CoinGecko, and Etherscan. BubbleMaps is also listed on Binance, BitThumb, and BitGet. It's a real company with real profits, and it's moving fast. But BubbleMaps isn't just a tool, it's a part of the new InfoFi movement, where transparency meets alpha. Now, they're also releasing something called the Intel Desk that's soon, and that is actually designed to be crypto's accountability layer. It's kind of like a Wikipedia for scams. So every hack or rug becomes a permanent case with receipts and timelines. The community stakes BMT to decide which cases matter. Contributors are ranked, and the best sleuths get rewards. Intel Desk will preserve the record of scams and pay investigators for exposing the truth. But definitely check out BubbleMaps in the description, because on-chain trading is growing fast, and BubbleMaps is the leader in transparency tools, and it's already listed on Binance. If you want to check it out, links will be in the description. We'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.